Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. cpu-x package is available on Ubuntu-based repository, so you can install it directly by using the following command. You can adjust cpu-x via CLI by running the next command. Also, you can search on the system search bar or by icon and launch cpu-x. It will be launched as shown. Here you can find information about your motherboard, cache, CPU, memory and other. That's it. If you have any question, please leave them in comments.